Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Setting up a website on Wix is a straightforward process, designed for everyone from beginners to experienced creators. First, you will create a free account using your email or by connecting through social media. Next, select the type of website you want to build, which helps Wix tailor design suggestions specifically for you. Finally, answer a few simple questions about your goals, and the Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, or ADDI, will generate a personalized starting point for your site in just a few moments. Once your initial site is generated, the fun begins with customization. Wix offers a powerful drag-and-drop editor, allowing you to easily adjust your site's layout, choose from hundreds of color palettes, and select perfect fonts. You can effortlessly add new pages, sections, and various elements such as high-quality images and engaging videos. Feel free to explore Wix's vast media library, which contains thousands of free assets, or simply upload your own unique content to truly make your site shine. Beyond basic design, Wix allows you to significantly enhance your website with powerful features. You can integrate essential business tools, such as a fully functional online store to sell products or a booking system for appointments and services. Wix also provides built-in search engine optimization, or SEO, tools to help your site rank higher in search results. Additionally, easily connect your social media accounts to expand your reach and engage with a wider audience across multiple platforms. The final step is to publish your amazing new website. First, you will want to select a custom domain name, like yourbusiness.com, to establish a professional brand identity. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review every page and element to ensure everything looks perfect and functions as intended. Once you are completely satisfied, simply click the Publish button. Your Wix website will then be live and accessible to the world in just a few clicks, ready to achieve your online goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.